After changing the PCV valve, I have driven the car almost 12,000 miles. Had an oil change done, and I'm due for another oil change. So right now, oil life is 30%, which means it's coming up pretty quickly. So let's find out. Do I still have an oil consumption problem? Has it gone better? Gone away? Only way to find out. Let's go. Moment of truth. So almost, let's see where we are. Not at the full mark, a little bit below. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a little bit below, let's say half a centimeter below the top level. Certainly better than where we were. I mean, if you remember, I was at the low level in about 2,000 miles after oil change. So this is better. Car did not stop consuming oil. I think this model definitely uses oil, but I think this is probably a better reading. You can see it's in between those two marks, and I call that an improvement. So for about what, 37, 40 bucks, if I remember the price of that PCV valve. Thanks for watching.